to be teaching you how to play with your fonts and how to add a text box.
And I am also here to learn from Sienna. So she is going to, if you guys take a look here, she has already, if you look at some of these slides, already changed the font and the color. She has a lot of great tricks, and that's why she's here helping us today. So we're going to go down to a blank slide, and she is going to show us how to add a text box and play around with the font.
So this is how to add a text box. So if you see up in on the top of your screen, there might be a little box with a T in it. Just press on that, and you can press anywhere on your screen, and it'll become a text box, and then you can move your text box. So
just type one word in there, like let's do art. Okay.
So
now before you use a font, do you have to highlight it?
Yes. So before you have to highlight the word you're spelling, and then you can go in and change your color. I'm going to do red.
Ooh.
And then you can press off, and then
Now what if I wanted to go back in and not just change the color, but change the font itself? How do I go back and do that?
So whatever font you're on, it's probably going to be up on the top.
Oh, right there.
And then it'll say font, so you'll press on this little arrow, and there's a bunch of different fonts you could use.
Now, do you have to highlight it again?
Yeah.
All right, let's try one.
Okay.
And with that, I thought I saw, after we change the font, let's see if we can go to, I like the impact. That one's bold. And can we highlight it and change the size?
Yes. So we can go here, and then
I think on my computer you have to go to the 3 dots.
so then
Oh, yeah.
there might be whatever font, whatever size you're on, it's gonna be at the top, and there's gonna be a plus arrow and a minus arrow. So if you want it bigger, you can just go up, and if you
try
want it
like
smaller,
25. Try see what 25 looks like.
Okay, so also you can press on the one you're at, and you can scroll down to find the
That
one.
might be a faster way to do it.
Yeah, and then I'm going to go to 24.
Ooh, yeah.
And then
I think that's
go
good.
one more.
Ooh, perfect. Now, I also see up here there is B.
So if you want it bold, you can
Got
press
it?
B.
What's
And
the
then
I?
The I is
Italic.
yeah. It's like a little bit slant.
Yep.
And then this is like underlined.
Oh, so if I wanted to make a title or make something really important, I underline, that's the way to go.
Yeah.
That's awesome, Sienna.
It's okay.
Thank you for sharing. Hey, thank you, Sienna, for sharing your expertise in Google Slides, and I know she is going to help you guys out so you can play around and make your art portfolio amazing. Bye, Sienna.
Bye.